Our selection boxes are back. This is always one of my favorite gift sets, not only because you'll only find them on our websites or across our flagships, it's our chance for you to be able to build your own complexion box. We are obsessed with complexion. It's not something that we can add into every gift set because obviously it's so shade specific. So this is where we let you select and curate your own complexion perfection. So in true selection box style, we are giving you our Complexion Duo Brush. I use this every single day to apply my concealer and foundation, so every single person needs it regardless of what base you're using. You get to choose your own base, so we've got 4 main options I'm going to talk you through, and you get to choose your own concealer. So not only are you getting to choose your own base, you're getting to choose your own coverage style and your own shade, and we are here to help if we can help with any shade selection too. So as you build your selection box, you've got 4 complexion ranges that you can choose from. First up is Hydro Tint. Choose this if you love a natural, barely there, your skin but better, 90% skincare formula finish. We then have Tint and Glow. As the name suggests, this is literally a radiant liquid in a tube. It's got SPF 30, it has a light coverage, anti-pollution protection, and it delivers dewy skin in an instant. If you like more of a medium coverage, Second Skin comes in a dewy and soft matte finish. This is the perfect everyday foundation. It gives you coverage, evens out the skin, tones down redness and pigmentation, but it's not going to be uber heavy where you don't feel like you. And last but not least, you could choose Satin Silk. This is the epitome of festive wear occasion foundation. It's lightweight but long wearing, high coverage, a tiny bit goes a really long way, and you are guaranteed to feel flawless. When it comes to concealers, we have 2 main options. Choose Brighten Up if you like a medium dewy coverage. This packs a total punch when it comes to the coverage but feels really lightweight and natural on the eye, particularly great if you're conscious of dehydrated under eyes. Or we have Satin Silk. This is what I call our multitasking all-in-one concealer. Think padded coverage for the under eye, but heavy enough to cover those blemishes or redness areas that you want a quick one and done all over for. And for my selection box, I'm going to go for Second Skin Dewy in the shade 3.0, paired with Brighten Up Under Eye Concealer in the shade Beige. And of course, I'm using my trusty Complexion Duo Brush. So my skin is primed and ready to go. Shade Light for me is my perfect light tan color because let's be honest, I always have a little bit of something on. What I absolutely love about Second Skin is that it delivers a medium coverage. So what I feel that gives you is your skin is evened out, you've got an overall healthier complexion, but there's nothing too heavy about it. It still feels light, it still feels like you can still see some freckles, etc. through it. I'm blending this all over, leaving my under eye clear and using the fluffy head of my Complexion Duo Brush, and just look at that difference. Magic in like 2 pumps. So I'm going to take my Brighten Up Under Eye Concealer and focus that in around the tear duct and at the corner of the eye. I'm going to flip to the concealer end of my brush. This is amazing if you want to brighten the under eye but you want to keep it nice and natural. It's not going to dehydrate the area. It's not going to add any lines that weren't there in the first place. And essentially your concealer should help to add a lovely brightened complexion that looks natural. And look at that. Brightened, second skinned, dewy complexion, no Brighten Up concealer. It works. Magic. And there we go. That is all you need to know about our selection box, how you can build your own complexion routine. It's only €50 or £45 and you're coming away with everything you need for a flawless complexion.